welcome to Brooklyn.
Yeah, for real, man. Thank you, man. Give thanks, you know?
Welcome to Brooklyn.
Respect, man. Yeah.
Yeah. A real thing, man. Girl, them enough up here, you know?
Yeah, I'll be a girl.
Be a girl, man. You see them when you come in at the airport there?
Yeah, I see them, man. A whole heap of them, you know?
I see one come out there, I tell you, I drive, but I look and see a man come behind us, so I told him come off my flight, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the one that green pants, man.
Nah, green pants. Yeah, I see that girl, I see that, yeah. I see, you see her front part, her pum.
Turn up! Boom, God.
You see that girl, man?
Yeah. A real thing, man, but without traffic, but you don't know to my sister there with her man, Rere.
Right.
And in our Brooklyn ends, I will not take no check with them, you know.
Right, so Brooklyn, we don't know, don't?
Yeah, man, Brooklyn this, man.
Brooklyn, yeah, man. First time I come and stay, you know.
Yeah, man. A real thing, man. Whole heap of girl there, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can have 7 of them.
One time?
I like. Lord Clark. Yeah, you know that. I have 7 of them. And the other day, I want to reach and brush up 2 of them.
Eh?
Yeah. 2 of them. So you know, say me brush up 2, you can at least brush up 7. But you're fresh in the ice, you know?
But the American girl, them, you can't talk to them like a Jamaican girl, like, yo, my girl, yo, come here.
Boy, you have got to change. You can't talk to them the country with it.
No?
No, man.
We never go change now.
Well, just be yourself.
Okay, so we start with them now.
Brooklyn, boss. Brooklyn.
That's a Brooklyn big?
Yeah, man. Get some gas, boss.
I get some gas. Okay, yeah, alright, cool. Too much now. I don't feel no stoners, so I feel something sweet. Then on a shop, then so.
Yeah, man, so them have a shop here, man. You can come here and go in a shop.
A shop? Alright then.
Yeah, man.
I want something sweet for you.
Yeah, man, come go in a shop.
I wish. Oh. I'm not shop that. No.
Yeah, shop.
Oh, I shop that?
Shop, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah?
There's a big bag for it. Cigarette. Come in, man, I shop.
I shop? Yeah. Okay. You know?
Yeah, man. Welcome to Brooklyn.
You see the shop them a yard, then a turn like this, you know? The shop them part is the shop them a Jamaica, they lean on the side like so. So, you see me? The shop them different. Yeah.
So, like, that's a different part.
Yeah, this. What's going on? Hey, what, man? Alright, bless you,
man. Yes.
Alright, cool. Where got your Oreo? Where? Okay, thank you. Love them cookie, you know. Buckler, they are all of us sitting in there, man. Look at them, what are they? Another story of pretty, man. I saw me for the long time. I'm going to take them here. Alright, thank you, man. How much is them here? Everything good, man.
Only for $2.
$2?
Yes. Make sure you fix it good.
Alright, man.
He's a nice guy, please.
Thank you.
And you take it out.
It's nice.
Take it.
Drink what?
Coffee over there.
Coffee?
Yes. Take the coffee over there.
Wait, push it? That. Half and half. I'll take half. Oh.
Oh.
Hi. That's why I love America. God knows that. Coffee. What is it? Oh, big man. My lord. Tell me that. Where milk? The milk. Where have the milk? Milk? Oh, milk. That one have milk too, right? Oh. Good. All this is salt or sugar? Sugar? Go and work and they treat me like a king. Yeah, no, so we spoon there. No spoon? Yeah?
How about you about the sword?
No, so we come get two everything and the man give it some coffee and thing.
Eh?
But that thing a funny star. Oh, John
I'm gonna pull it, you know?
Oh, you don't pull it? Yeah, I'm going from here, turn it like this. I'm gonna see that come out.
Oh, no, man, you just pull it, man.
Oh, the other way. Oh, okay. Now back home and dog, you know, you catch up the fire and thing.
Fire, with fire.
And then fat the thing and the fire start blazing. You put it on the pot with water.
Yes, already hot.
Oh.
You have to come hot.
So what am I use? Currant?
Currant, yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you, man.
Yo, where's my money, man? I hope y'all.
What money?
I'm supposed to get something for my house. That's what I'm doing here.
Off at my door. Boom, buckler.
I said, let's stay right here. Everything that we see being on Headguns TV.
That's what we get over here.
Okay, man, I say last $2 me have. Just that $2.
Oh, man, boy, you gotta come better than that.
I just come from Jamaica, I'm broke, man, I don't know money. God, I'm broke, star. I lost $2 me
Stop.
have.
I'll take it, but I need more than this.
Let me see you again, man. Me give some more money, because I'm broke, you see what I'm saying?
Come on, Scar, I look trying to be. I really.
Yeah, man, thank you, man.
Nigga.
So I say thank you. Respect, yeah? Thank you, man. I mean, you know, say that, man. I'm lost $5 I'm give him. I mean, you know, say the man serious to us.
Come here.
You ready again? All right. Chip on the car. Last club. I'm going to chip on the car, man, yo.
I'm good luck.
All right, then. Ready again.
Ready again, man. Man, 2 bomb buckler, dollar. I run when blood clot.
Is it you just coming to the place? I don't want no trouble and everything there, you know?
Yeah.
Because you don't know, say Uncle Sam no play for him. Don't so me hear about him, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All about the thief too, you know, much poor people and boy the rap. A whole heap of poor people and boy the rap.
Yeah, but I even know, say, a man open the door, I think say, I free the man open the door for.
Free, I bet
when I come out, the man ask me for money. Yo, man. What the fuck?
Fuck you, man. I tell them, fuck off.
But you me there still on nobody, so man I go probably try jump me on them thing there and try war me on them thing there. So
I'm a bad man from Jamaica, the boy can't jump, man.
I said, me and my machete in my suitcase.
Alright.
I'm not afraid of nothing.
That's why I should box him with it, man. I give him $2 walk well left him. Anyway, it's gone already, but you know, I'm Brooklyn this man.
No, man, the man just, yo, because the vibes, because the thing I go on good and the man just piss me off.
Just like that, and I whole heap of them there, you know, brother.
So I say, this about like, yo, more money, yo, I see the money. I come from Jamaica.
Yeah.
I'm not born here, I should have come here because no money, I just come.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Yeah. Coffee, man.
The coffee good.
Junkin post so
the coffee good, man.
From America come and sip on coffee.
Yeah, for real, man. Coffee good.
Yeah. Real thing. America, look at them 2 white girls.
My girl! Yeah.
Them girls they from America, them girls they for wine pan now, you know.
But like forget them white girls, how you talk?
Jamaican, man.
Yeah? And then they talk back down.
Oh, you mean? Them one here.
You know, so me I talk to one at the airport and she depend is excuse me. Me I say, what go on?
Yeah?
How you doing? Me I say, me like you now, me don't want there with you.
Yeah.
And she say, excuse me. And then me just feel a weird and me I smile and then she look at me like a fool.
Well, we are going to a neighborhood and now be a Jew in the neighborhood and black people.
What do you mean, Jew?
Jew people, man, they can't blow on and them things them and the neighborhood.
I don't understand you, Jew people. What kind of people are Jew people?
Some man where we act them big. You ever watch movies, some man and some white hat will go up in the ear and come around like so. Big white hat like them we wear snow hat.
Mexican?
Yeah, man.
Mexican.
Just like the Mexican at them, man. Them look just like the Mexican at them, man.
But the Jew, you say what you call it? Jew is a person, a people?
Yeah, man. Some people, man, them wear not but black and white.
Them black or them white? What kind of people?
White. That's some white people. But them wear not but black or white, you know.
Black or then we felt.
I not felt. Are them big sun hat, man. We come way around it. When we see one, we show you. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
I bet they never come in our daytime, boss.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
that's the one they attack.
Ah,
oh,
yeah, man.
The man like a ram goat.
I they call them all time, ram goat.
I first so much beard.
Beard.
Oh,
Beard.
Oh, and then people, them see them some time on the TV, you know?
Yeah. The real thing, man, they're on TV enough, man.
Oh, them they call Jewish?
Yeah, man, and them are Jewish people, man.
So what this side? What this side? Is a road up there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They run car up there, you know?
Oh, okay. America full of road. So all them car, what them do? They don't want them, they not good, they spoiled?
Well, some of them, they are people who, you know?
Oh,
people
okay.
really about the neighborhood there, you know?
Oh, okay.
Park under there and them.
Oh, okay.
Beer thing. Yeah, man.
Oh, but I first man come to New York, man, but the place look good, man.
Yeah, man. Nice, enough, girl.
Same way.
Yeah, man, same way, man. The girl up here love Jamaican, you know?
Love Jamaican.
Love Jamaican. Where you born weed? You born weed?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean they don't smoke weed, man, and fuck girl and them pussy, man.
Yes,
they love that up here, man.
Yeah, me not too bunny too often still. You know, come here, me I try to stay out of trouble. You know, me don't want like smoke weed. Because me say them catch it, because Jamaica, you know, say ganja legal.
Yeah.
If you catch it, ganja, yes, some of them will lock you up. I don't want to come here and get locked up, you see me?
Yeah.
As far as Jamaica, where they come from?
Yeah.
So Jamaica,
I want to say, I don't know Jonestown ends there, no boy.
Jonestown?
Yeah, man.
As far as that there again?
Which where you come from? Up in St. Mary you come from?
No, man, from St. Anne's.
St. Anne's you come from?
Back to Chilana, on the son, like country, you see me?
This is near crossroad here, you know? You know what's there?
What's there? They have one a Christian down so.
Man, I don't talk about Christian, I talk about a city, in a town.
Why? I don't go town, you know, because last time I go town for one, brother need to cut our mates, so I go back. Yeah, I go back. Yo, every time I go town, the man them want war. Because we come from the country, come from the countryside, you know? They want war me, you see me? Oh, yeah, I tell you, rough, man.
So, yeah, man, that's so nice, man. But the day I say you have to just know, say, boy, you look some girl and...
Same way.
Yeah, man.
Bumbo Clark, what a building there?
Yeah, you see them building on them high?
Jesus Christ, man.
Holy for a woman up on that blood clot.
The place nice.
Holy for a woman, look here, man. Look and pretty.
Okay. Whoa.
You want to stand up and look out? You can stand up and look out, you know?
Yeah.
Or the police here, you know?
So I'm not
where's you about the coffee in your hand?
Yeah, they might. Professor, nice.
Yeah, man. Look around, man. See the nice building, the Panala building there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hello! Hello! Welcome to America. Yo, the place nice.
I mean, man. Brooklyn Bridge, this. See it?
Brooklyn Bridge?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Brooklyn Bridge, this, man.
And you, oh shit, we are going over the water.
Yeah. Over the water, we are going, man. Straight water.
Oh, the place look good, man.
Man.
It's a good look, you know?
Good look.
Platinum Star again.
Brooklyn.
The place nice. John, what's that? I can't wait for go back to Jamaica and tell the whole of my friend them. I tell the whole of my friend them. All of my friend them. Because I tried to call my mother a while ago and the phone say you have no credit left, you know?
Yeah. You can't use a phone, man. You get a phone from
you can't use digital over here?
No, man, you can't use digital.
Yeah? So I get a what? I go throw my phone?
No, you don't have a throw it. You just keep a phone there. You get a new phone now.
Oh, okay.
You get a new hot phone, you know?
Hot phone?
Yeah, man, hot phone.
Something look good?
Yeah, man. Bad phone, man.
Yeah. Oh.
You have youth?
Yeah, man, I have a son, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
A yard?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you have to have a youth in America, man. At least 10 of them in a whole pack.
You don't know, say, yo, as soon as I find a girl, a different thing.
Yeah,
see what I say?
Yeah, man.
You don't know, say, I don't waste it.
Nah, waste it,
man. Real talk, man. So when I find a girl, man, find a nice girl in another country, yeah?
Yeah.
You know what I say? Once she love me, I love her, yeah, I breed it, man.
You don't love girl, man. You just go and wine from girl. Girl love you, you know?
Oh, okay.
And you tell them girl are worse and you fuck them good.
Yeah.
Nah, left you.
Yeah? Real talk, man. I'm in a ramp with them.
Look at the train. See the train over there, son.
What you call that? What you mean train?
Yeah. See long snake on the bridge there. You see snake with the light. Yeah.
Oh, train?
Yeah, man.
Chain? Oh, that's a call chain?
Yeah, man, I call that snake, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, I call that the snake run on the line, you know?
So what they can of that garbage?
Yeah. People.
People? Oh, okay. But what the car and the truck that run with the chain, man? They run on the car and the truck run on the same line? The car and the chain?
They have a chain underneath the car, man. A full line, a road and line.
Road and line?
Yeah.
What's up with them?
Yeah, man. Whole heap of different things over here, man. You say dumb things.
What them most are called, though? Them most are called?
Yeah, man. Apartment buildings, man.
What do you mean apartment? Well, people living in them?
Yeah, man. That's your house. It's a small house. Them build them. Sign where them build them more.
Oh, okay.
Wow, I chew them a go on, yeah.
Why the two of them are going good enough car right now? I have a two of them I try to put out. Win this year, I'm not living in a loans. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Man, it's a one with people, so most people like it. Yeah, man. All my people like it.
Yeah, man.
Real talk, you know?
Yeah, man.
I don't want to say music, I say music for life.
Music for life.
Yeah, for real.
Real shit.
Yeah. So what you do?
Everything.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Do everything, man. Everything. From music.
You do
everything.
You do music stuff?
Yeah, man.
What kind of music you do? Reggae?
Yeah, man. I do reggae music, man.
Oh, okay.
Play music and mix music and
Yeah,
dance music. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Real.
Yeah, we have a thing every Friday, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Every Friday we do it, man. They call it Edgar Friday, you know?
Edgar Friday.
Yeah, man.
Edgar Friday.
Yeah, man. Edgar Fridays, man.
But you hear what I mean? They're ready for me there. Jamaica, Edgar Friday. Well, on the year, you know, so we did it. My person go Christiana. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
No. Me go Portmore. Me go over Tuka, and my virgin have a computer.
Yeah.
And then I look up something and you see me, I say, man, tell me say I have a virgin in Edgar. And then I show me the video. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
So you know the new that, Edgar?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Good, man.
Real.
Yeah.
Them go link me up with them, man.
Yeah, man.
Link me up.
Where's I call your DJ?
Same
Yeah,
way.
man. Yeah, man.
Real talk, yeah.
Real link, man.
Real, man. A long time I hear about you there, a long time I hear about the name. Edgar. So me I say,
Yeah,
but
man.
you say that the countryside still my youth. Me I say, yo, me not on a computer, right? Me still on my black and white TV. When me I change the channel them, me use like a pliers and click. You know what I say?
Alright, well, the advanced now.
The advanced now. John don't start like how, you see me I say, we're a yard man and things. You see me I say?
Yeah.
We definitely link up, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'll link you up on some real youth, man.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man.
Through me I do the music and yeah, select and them thing there, so
You
can play me through them one time and them thing there, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, a real talk.
thing, man. Yeah, man. I'll link you up on the movements, them, you know?
Same way,
Yeah,
same
man. I'll
way.
link you up on the movements, cause them youth, they are real youth, you see me?
Right, same way.
Yeah, man. So I'll link you up on a couple of them, and Ray and endorse thing, you see it?
Right, same
Yeah,
way.
man, cause so the thing set, man.
Mad.
You know?
Real
But
talk.
that's our time for bus, you know?
Time for bus, man, because right now, I say a long time here, DJ, long time, and right now I want a bus and I can't get a bus.
Yeah?
But me tell you something, man. If I never when me dead, me I go bus.
Yeah, man. Make somebody to get a pin, man.
Exactly, me know me I go bus.
Yeah, man.
One
Somebody
day,
to get a
one
pin,
day.
man, and box, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
A real thing, man.
For real, because all the people tell me, say, yo, Platinum, you're not going to make it and blah, 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 blah. You know what I say?
And you know, say, I see him song be my boy saying, them say me not gonna away, we not gonna make no money.
Right, that's
you
what
reach America.
America
reach
rich now.
America.
Sort out.
Alright.
Yeah, for real.
That's the thing, no, man. Real
man.
thing, man. Once they sort out, you know. But, yo, you know, so we have a blood clot tune where I run the place now for you girl them.
Oh, what
Yeah,
you name
man.
of tune?
Shit, a dancehall, what can you call it, you know?
Dancehall walk.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
but-
nowadays we are doing the hard way, we say dancehall, fuck for the girl them.
Okay, you can come on a tune, the man.
Oh, you mean?
Oh, you go, where front part go?
Blood clot, like what you say. Dancehall fuck, girl. Dancehall fuck, girl. Fuck till he broke,
Girl.
Fuck till he broke.
Sound good, man.
What? Blood
Yeah, for
clot.
real. Come here, I can come up with something, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, like, Watch a girl, them a dance all fuck. Any girl can do it, them run out of luck. Girl wine for me and wine and come out. Girl wine and fuck. Book up. Yeah man, for real man.
Don't sell off.
Yeah man, so we can go in the studio man and link up with the other virgin and we can record it, you know?
Yeah man, a real thing
You
man.
don't know, so we are artists and thing, you know?
Yeah man, a real thing man, a real thing man.
Yeah, for real.
Up all the bad entry on it, blood clock, come here to the same tune, that bad tune man. You
Man.
know what? Some boy a fight the thing.
Same way.
For the girl them we are do it, we never give a fuck.
Same
And once
way.
the girl them hear them, I go there and want to walk.
Same way.
See where the thing said, cause the girl them forget fuck.
Same way.
Blood clot do them.
Yeah man.
Blood clot.
I go by the name of Platinum Star still, you know?
Oh.
Platinum Star, yeah.
Well, I killer the man name.
Killer.
Yeah
Man,
man,
don't
straight
know.
man, big real man.
Real talk,
Yeah,
real
man.
talk.
Real thing man, blood clot,
Yeah.
platinum and killer.
Man thing. So,
So,
how we there now?
that's same way in Brooklyn with them man.
Brooklyn.
Yeah,
How we there,
in
Brooklyn?
Brooklyn with them man.
Brooklyn?
We so rich man at yeah.
Brooklyn biggie, man.
What? Brooklyn so big, that's why have more girl man.
Brooklyn alone bigger than Jamaica.
Yeah man. No,
Yeah,
I'm not gonna say bigger than
You know
Jamaica.
bigger, bigger.
No, probably
Yeah.
bigger than your parish, you know.
Cause you know how long we are driving? A long time we are driving now.
Yeah man.
Me all sweat. Me drive
Last
till
sweat?
me drive till me sweat.
Come in man. When you come off 5 you must want something for them, you know?
Yeah man, hungry star. I see what them got when you have another place here. Hey, mommy. I'm just come off of the plane and I'm hungry. You know pudding?
Yeah, man, we have pudding.
Yeah, what kind of pudding you have?
Potato pudding.
Potato pudding. That's the best. It sell out. You can get a sample to see if it tastes like the original Jamaica pudding. Because Jamaica New York one, you know?
Yeah, man.
Make sure the real thing, you know? Let's have a little piece. Because, you know?
Yeah man.
Sample, yeah.
Yeah man, I really sit back man. I really sit back. Yes. So I think, yeah man, so I think set man.
They don't see me a
At least
potato
I can
pudding.
say first place to see a damn when you come to America. You see?
Same way.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
I just said I can't call a bakery.
Yeah, man.
Restaurant and bakery.
This
Oh.
is for you.
Thank you. Corner restaurant and bakery.
Yeah man.
This is for you.
See that?
Pudding a good man.
Wow, still dust done it.
Yeah, it was finished.
Yeah man.
Pudding a really good man. Are you make it right?
Yeah, I'm the one who make it. That's very good.
Okay, cool. Watch, give me 2 pieces. You know, so I love the pudding. Alright. What we're going to do now? Pudding a really good man.
Yeah man, real man.
You know, you want to take the whole thing. Yeah, man, real talk, man. Everything that
It's
you
on
get.
radio.
That's
Real thing, man. I'm okay, I'm going to take the whole thing, man.
What is there?
John was star, pudding a mud.
Yeah man.
Alright, now. How much the whole thing?
$40.
How money, bro? That money?
No, some kind of money.
We can't take it. You know, we have a kumba. We have a kumba.
Alright.
So keep it, you know?
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep it fluid, we have a kumba.
We are come back here in a moment.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Corner restaurant, bakery. Pudding a real good, we have a kumba, yeah?
Definitely.
So, we have kumba. I got the bank and get some money. I mean, I come back. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes. Don't sell it, you know? Come on, pudding, don't sell it.
Alright.
It's a fire.
Okay,
Yeah man.
thank you.
Yeah man, we are come back here. Alright.
Alright, no, we come back,
So
yeah?
come back.
Alright, don't
Yeah.
stay long.
Alright. Jesus Christ. No. What type of pudding?
$40. No, man, not
Jesus
too much.
Christ, yo, you put it too expensive, man.
Expensive putting that, my youth.
Yo, man, I can't, right now, my broke. I don't know money in my wallet, my youth.
Alright. So you want
Put it tastes good. Oh, wait, we're still at Brooklyn, right?
No, man, I'm Bronx today now, man.
Bronx there?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
I'm Bronx today now, man. But you wanna, like how we now get the pudding on rare. If I go around and go through, remember record strap around so. They Moody's. You know what Moody's, man?
Yeah, me hear about Moody's, man. Go check out, you know?
Yeah, man, come in.
Alright, cool. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. My girl.
That's a new Moody's. Beer record,
Yeah?
Beer record.
Be a citizen.
Yeah, man.
Before you bury you. Oh, boy, that's all the place. Place nice.
Record, man.
Oh, boy, the shit, record of foreign.
Yeah, man. See that big man?
Yeah, man.
Manners, yeah, man.
Respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. How about sir?
Bridges just come from Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, I miss some Moody's, man.
Alright, cool. Platinum star, you know, platinum star.
Yeah, man.
Mad thing. We hear about Moody's record from there at Jamaica still, but we just reaching at the place, you know?
Yeah, man, real thing.
Yeah, man,
The latest and the greatest.
Yeah, man,
Latest and the
that's
greatest.
Latest and the greatest we care about.
that may I say, that man, I'm still have record everything.
Yeah, man.
Same way.
Keeping it original, man, a real thing, man.
Gases, you name it, you have it. Yeah.
I sell this at all.
Well, that's a listening station. You listen.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
listen.
listen.
What do you mean? Just put on and listen to the thing?
You can listen to the latest drums, you know.
How which artist this here?
Well, we are listening to right now is a guy from down south, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, Charles Jones, yeah.
Sound good, man.
But you also have Touch One.
Oh, touch you want to find top.
This one, nothing. Yes. Yeah, you listen to Post now, yeah.
Yeah, see there?
That thing a bad,
A
man.
real thing, man.
Oh, you see, look at this, sir. It thing a spin, you know?
Yeah, man.
Journal star. That's why I have to love foreign star.
Yeah, man.
A long time them thing I feel go on. You think I today?
Real saga, man. Watch that shabba. Shabba, man.
Man, thing. Man, the thing nice, man.
Yeah, man. Everything you ask of me. Real thing. Yeah, man.
So where you say them have a studio?
Studio upstairs, you have to go for your studio,
Upstairs?
man. Yeah, man.
Upstairs, alright. Well, come down the way, no, I just come America.
Flying out upstairs, to cry, and I say, right round, to cry. Right round.
Journal star.
Yeah, man. See, I'm just step on the step, you know. You can't step in the ear. Yeah, right, man.
But not, yo. And you still kind of step in, you know?
Yeah, man.
You know where you go?
A real thing, man. Yeah, man. Then I studio with them, man. Yes, alright. See there. Respect.
What one family? What them stuff as a record, you want them sitting there? Yeah. What I say there?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Straight studio, man.
Man.
See there? Man, that's big man. See there, yeah, man, them man, yeah, man.
Thing,
Real
yeah, man.
thing,
Say nothing,
studio,
you know?
see it, yeah, man.
Respect.
See there, sir. Yeah, man, straight.
Mad thing, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, me, man. Yeah, man, I say big studio, man. Yeah, man.
Mad thing.
Straight, see that,
What one big man?
man, has.
Say nothing,
Yeah, man.
So the big thing this?
Yeah, man. Yeah, so we do all the
Real
recording,
talk.
man, and get it jiggy, man.
What you mean?
Straight. Yeah, so we get it jiggy, man.
What you mean? Walk it thing gone late.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so yo, remember, you know, yeah, so welcome to the tune, you know. The high grade tune. Yeah, man. I look at look at all the man, Walkies, the man label that.
Walkies.
Big and bold, yeah, man. Straight, man.
Mad thing.
Yeah, man, so yeah, so welcome to the tune, brother.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man,
I like
definitely.
the setup still, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Set up
The
nice.
Man, so a real studio, you know, say a real studio. Real thing,
And the
man.
big thing this. Don't
Big
know.
thing, yeah, man. Straight. So yo, movements, you know. See that?
Real
Mr.
talk.
Waki, see that? And our manners here, sir. Blessed.
Alright.
Respect. Yeah,
Big
man,
man,
respect. Big tune.
Alright, you don't know. Respect, sir. You see
Yeah.
what I say? Manners and respect, you don't know.
Let's
Alright,
up.
so what you mean? Look up on yourself.
Big
Yeah, man.
artists.
Don't know. Platinum star. Your general name? Item Energy. Alright, cool. Definitely have a link. You don't know the thing, go over.
Alright, so bless up yourself.
Same way, because music we say enough for life.
Alright.
So guy that, say brother.
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Bless up yourself. Yo, trust me. So you say, Man studio though.
Mad, it's too mad.
For real man, yo, I really think, brother, when I actually think,
You mean, I really think. Mad, me like it, man. Me like the whole
yeah, man, it's the man thing, right, man. Man, the article, listen, I say, same way. Different, listen, I say, nah, man, it's so comfortable, studio comfortable, man, yo.
Mad.
Yeah, man, real thing, man.
Real thing, man.
So I'm just that now, brother. Wait, ready for walking out?
Yeah, man. So, yeah, so with the Brooklyn, or with the, what's it?
Bronx.
Bronx, so they're Bronx now.
Yeah, man.
So where
go back in our digs. In the heart of the
yeah, easy,
Brooklyn.
Let's go, yeah, let's go. Yeah, man.
Sir? Yeah, where are they? You have some food? You have some pull up in McDonald's, you know?
McDonald's, what they sell us?
Eh? Well, I look on the menu. Hold on 1 second. Give me a second there.
Where you talk? We made a small device a while ago. Where you talk?
You see speaker there, man?
Oh, okay. What go on, mommy? Hello? Me can get half a butter bread with a bag juice?
What?
Me can get half a butter bread with a bag juice?
I'm McDonald's there in my yard.
Hold on. Eh?
Can you drive around? I can't understand what you're saying.
No, me I say me can get quarter bread with a quarter butter bread with a bag juice.
Drive around, please.
But me can't hear you. Can't hear me, mom?
I can't understand what you're saying, so can you please drive around?
Oh, God. Hold on. You got pudding? Hello?
No, man, them sell them kind of food about.
You don't understand me, my youth. What not English that?
Hello?
Yes, drive around, please.
Okay. What we are doing? We are trying to make an order.
Can you please drive around?
1 hour after 11.
Wait, what?
What you have after 11?
What do we have after 11?
Yeah.
Anything on the menu except for the dollar menu.
I think I come to America at the wrong time. I just come to America and understand what I say.
You say him just come to America. You say you didn't understand what he say.
Sorry.
Yeah?
The dollar menu, no, the dollar menu we don't sell after 11. Anything on the dollar menu we don't sell.
So when I ask them, I can get quarter butter bread with a bag juice.
The juice?
Like a bread, you know the bread? I don't want the whole bread. I need like quarter of the bread. And you put butter on it. Put butter on it. And a bag juice, sky juice.
We don't do that.
Oh.
Unless you're talking about the Southern style chicken sandwich.
Him say one chicken. What kind of chicken you have now?
Chicken with bread. You got chicken with bread?
Yeah, it comes with butter and pickles.
You know,
What pickle?
butter and pickle. One green taste. The pickle is somewhere taste bad, right?
The pickles?
Yeah, taste bad. The taste bad is some of that. One green taste bad thing.
Yeah.
Alright. So how you want to put that from a sandwich that taste bad?
So the Southern style too? You want it?
You want that?
I'm saying, I don't understand it. She don't understand me, I don't understand her. What?
Eh?
Do you want the Southern style chicken?
What certain style?
What name, sir?
Do you want to order that?
We just want a chicken sandwich and a wrap.
So you want the chicken sandwich and a wrap?
You want that, sir? Chicken sandwich and a wrap?
What you call wrap now?
And that you want? You want a wrap?
Why not?
And
That's
a
easy. That's the butter bread with the bag juice done. That's it.
Sandwich with butter on it?
No, quarter of bread with butter. Quarter butter bread with a butter.
Quarter bread, right?
Quarter of, yes. Quarter of bread with butter.
Okay.
Slap on the butter. Yeah.
You have that?
You have that?
You sure?
How to do that?
Alright.
With that? With a bag juice? Thank you.
What is a bug juice?
It's like yeah, syrup. Oh, no, syrup.
It does come, man.
Oh. Yeah, cocoa tea.
Coke?
Cocoa tea. Cocoa tea.
Cup of tea?
No, cocoa.
Cocoa.
Tea.
Yeah, you know, cocoa, hot cocoa.
So you want hot chocolate?
No, cocoa.
Cocoa.
You have hot chocolate?
Should I have that box? Should I have no cocoa?
Oh, no, what kind of tea you want to have?
Huh?
What kind of tea you want to have?
What kind of drinks we have?
Tea.
What kind of tea?
Raspberry iced tea and iced tea.
Rice tea?
Raspberry iced tea and iced tea.
Why you gonna make tea out of rice? Well, just... Oh, gosh.
I have other
Yes.
orders too.
Alright, yeah, alright, come.
No, she look good to you, know.
Anything else?
Yeah. Alright, girl, you look good here. Now you hear me. So that thing here is like shaft like helicopter. You know what's the helicopter? Like shaft like helicopter. Is that thing here what it is? You look good, you know. I say you look good.
Thank you.
I'm here go on you.
Where y'all from?
You make me from Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah, from, you know what I mean?
I have a friend here from Jamaica.
St. Anne's. Yeah. Where you come? You come from here?
No.
Where you come from?
Down south.
What do you mean down south?
Down south of America.
Down south of America?
Yeah.
I like the way you talk, yeah?
Thank you.
You just come. My name Platinum Star. I want to introduce myself. Platinum Star, I'm an upcoming reggae artist. You can check me out by YouTube. You know what I mean?
Music too.
You know where you do rap?
Sing.
Sing? So if we go collaborate, man. We collaborate, you know what I mean? I could take you to the studio.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Now give me a number, you go call me.
Okay. I'll call you.
Alright, call me here.
Alright.
Call me. Call me now, here.
Alright.
Alright, look on our smile. Alright?
Your lips them shine though.
You take care. But you know, you give me the thing them when I order.
Your lips them shine.
What?
Your lips shine.
Oh, you,
My lips shine.
Yeah.
oh, you put cooking oil on your lip.
No.
What up on your lip?
Lip gloss.
Lip what?
What do you mean
Lip
lip? What you
gloss.
call lip
What's
gloss?
that?
It's like lip chap.
Lip chop?
Yeah, it
What
keeps
your
your
lip-
lips moisturized.
What your lip not chop?
Your lip not chop up.
It keeps it moisturized.
Eh?
A Vaseline she use or cooking
A
oil.
Vaseline or cooking oil. They put
Cooking
on your
oil she
lip.
probably use
Y'all
on it.
put cooking oil?
Cooking
Yeah.
oil in Jamaica, you know, in Jamaica the sun hot, you know, you don't have no lotion. You put cooking oil on them. And you put it on your lip to make it shine. But you Jamaica hot, we don't really use like them, whatever you call it, you know what I mean? But like for your hand, them use the cooking oil and thing. And more time for your hand. I have to be careful where you stand up so ants not bite you.
Okay.
You know? And
What your name?
What your name?
Shonda.
Shanda.
Shonda?
Yeah, okay, Shanda, you're nice.
Nice name,
Thank
yeah.
you.
All
You're
right.
nice. Alright.
Alright, you take care of yourself, yeah? Remember, call me, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, call me.
Alright then. Here, she give me the bread with the butter. Brother Ron.
Buckle and dry bread, my yard.
Bread, the butter, the round bread you give me.
Oh,
Yeah, round bread. All the bread's are round. Because Jamaica, they make it square, long. You want a round, man.
Yeah, man, round tastes good though. A real thing, man. Blood clot.
But John was tired. The brother here tell me about more you link me up with them, man. You see me?
Yeah, man, I put you with them, man. Movements here talk about.
Yeah, head
Yeah,
gone,
head gone
head gone
movements,
thing.
man. Yeah, man, I put you with them, man.
And about the studio, Wacky.
Yeah, man.
The studio.
Lucky studio. You know, say man play stuff, man.
Mother Road.
Blood clot.
America look different, yo. America be like when you come from dark in the bush, be a darkness.
Yeah? You walk with candle?
No, flashlight.
Oh.
And bucket torch. You know you call bucket torch?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
It's a buckle you put the personal light and you get like a piece of like a paper and you put it down in a mouth part.
Yeah.
And you have to light it. So the light you know, it keep burn until when the personal don't know what time now.
Yeah.
It's out. Then we call it bucket torch. Now buy a flashlight you have to spend mostly more money because if you buy a pair of battery you hold for money that.
Oh, for buy battery?
Yeah. So when you have the bucket coach now, you know what I mean? You see what the thing. Yeah, but right now, John wants to want a job. It's a job miracle, but right now, my mother, they are yard and she's sick, she don't feel so well. So I want to send some money to give her so she can buy some medication and want to build her a house, you know what I mean?
Oh, see that.
Yeah, want to build her a house and things. So I work her right now. John wants to kind of tough down the star. And this is what I say right now. I don't know, yeah. Real talk, man. Look on a girl. My girl.
Rider.
You know what?
Yeah, man, I know her, man. Hold on there. I'm fix good in that place. Where you daughter, so?
What?
Walk.
Yeah, man, that's some of me I go walk on.
But there, yeah. Come introduce her to my friend. Yeah, man, I shake her.
Yeah.
I see him right there in my yard.
Okay.
Yeah, man, real
Name is
thing,
Platinum.
man.
Yo, I'm eating it right now.
Yeah, man, I just come from yard and things. So I say, look good, my girl, where you go?
I'm party me I go now.
Okay, in a pum pum shots, all the pum pum turn up. Look on that.
fat though.
What you mean? Fat till you buff.
You want a piece side?
What you mean?
I see them rider, man.
I see you right. So you know what?
Yeah.
I see me there in Jamaica and I watch a music video and thing Head Down Friday and I see the video. So I say, so while I go me a jive part, I say I know that girl that from somewhere. But I try but you see me I say, you probably think say a cockroach me a spray or something. But I must say know you one thing. So I say?
Yeah, she has silver out, watch it.
Real, but
Blows and hat.
mad thing. Yeah, but I say oh you can dance still, you know?
You like what you see?
What you mean? I love what I see. I don't like to get some of what I see.
Yeah, you know my girl.
No, so I just come my girlfriend left me for Jamaica. So I come here so now because it's like in a different world. So
Fresh off at ice.
exactly. In a different world, so right now I want to end up with a different girl.
So you sure you can handle the ride?
What you mean?
Yo, a medium rider, you know.